This old rock plank came in for a refret, but he ain't got teeth anymore. And the logo went home, but he has seen some stages and had a neck injury at one point. This is being held together by duct tape. Meow, 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 meow. All naked now, but still gunky. Gotta remove the chut. Wanna see a magic trick? Kapow! Now it's got no teeth. Fixing up the cavities. And removing the chut. And readying the new frets. Preparing the edges so it doesn't hurt your fingies. Getting there. Now it's got new teeth. That needs a bit of trimming. Cut. And cut. This ain't working. Need change. And new set of tuners. Oiling up that fingerboard. It was very dry. And spreading it out. And new teeth are ready and shiny. This ain't good. And whapow. Shiny. Now it's got all new teeth and ready to rock and roll.